atomic and molecular masses. You know about the term atoms and molecules. Thus, it is appropriate here to understand what we mean by atomic and molecular masses. Atomic mass. Every element has a characteristic atomic mass. Atomic mass is the mass of an atom. It is actually very small. For example, the mass of one hydrogen atom is 1.6736 10 raised to minus 24 gram. This is very small quantity and not easy to measure. In the present system, mass of an atom is determined relatively to the mass of a carbon 12 atom as the standard, and this has been agreed upon in 1961 by IUPAC. In this system, an atom of carbon 12 is assigned a mass of exactly 12 atomic mass unit AMU, and all over atom of other element are given a relative atomic mass to that of carbon 12. The atomic mass is expressed in AMU. One AMU is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. Later on, the exact value of atomic mass unit in gram was experimentally established. 1 AMU is equal to 1 upon 12 mass of 1 carbon 12 equal to 1 upon 12 multiplied by 1.992648 10 raised to minus 23 gram. 1.66056 10 raised to minus 24 gram. Recently, AMU has been replaced by unified mass unit called dalton. Symbol U or DA. U means unified mass. Problem 1.1. Mass of an atom of oxygen in gram is 26.56896 10 raised to minus 24 gram. What is the atomic mass of oxygen in U? Mass of an atom of oxygen in gram is 26.56896 10 raised to minus 24 gram and 1.66056 10 raised to minus 24 gram when U 26.56896 10 raised to minus 24 gram gives 26.56896 10 raised to minus 24 gram upon 1.66056 10 raised to minus 24 gram per unit is equal to 16.0 unit. Similarly, mass of an atom of hydrogen is equal to 1.0080 unit. Average atomic mass. Many naturally occurring elements exist as a mixture of more than one isotopes. Isotopes have different atomic masses. The atomic mass of such an element is the weight average of atomic masses of its isotope. Take into account the atomic masses of isotopes and their relative abundance, that is, percent occurrence. This is called average atomic mass of an element. For example, carbon has the following three isotopes with relative abundance and atomic masses and shown against each of them. Isotopes 12 carbon, 13 carbon, 14 carbon. Isotopes atomic mass unit 12, relative abundance 98.892, 13 carbon, atomic mass 13, relative abundance 1.108, 14 carbon is atomic mass 14.00317, relative abundance 210 raised to minus 10. From the above data, the average atomic mass of carbon 12U 98.892 upon 100 plus 13.00335U 1.108 upon 100 plus 14.00317 2 multiplied 10 raised to minus 10 upon 100 is equal to 12.00011 U. Similarly, average atomic mass for other element can be calculated. Remember, In the periodic table of elements, the atomic mass mentioned for different elements are actually their average atomic masses. For practical purpose, the average atomic mass is rounded off to the nearest whole number when it differs from it by a very small fraction. Element carbon isotopes 13 carbon, 12 carbon, 14 carbon, average atomic mass is 12.011 U. Rounded off atomic mass is 12.0 U. Nitrogen 14, nitrogen 15, nitrogen average atomic mass is 14.007 U. Rounded off atomic mass is 14.0 U. Oxygen isotope 16, oxygen 17, oxygen 80, oxygen average atomic mass is 15.99 U. Rounded off atomic mass is 6.0 U. Chlorine isotope is 35, chlorine 37, chlorine average atomic mass is 35.453 U. Rounded off atomic mass is 35.5 U. Bromine isotope is 79, bromine 81, bromine average atomic mass is 79.904 U. Rounded off atomic mass is 79.9 U. Problem 1.2. Calculate the average atomic masses of neon using the following data. Isotopes 20 neon, atomic mass 19.992 U, natural abundance is 19.92. Isotope 21 neon is atomic mass 20.9940 U and natural abundance is 0.26%. 22 neon atomic mass is 21.9914 unit. Natural abundance is 8.82%. Solution. Average atomic mass of neon is equal to atomic mass of neon 20 neon multiplied by percentage plus atomic mass of 21 neon multiplied by percentage plus atomic mass of 22 neon multiplied by percentage upon 100 is equal to 19.9924 U multiplied by 90.92 plus 20.9940 multiplied by 0.26 plus 21.9914 multiplied by 8.82 upon 100. So answer will be 20.1707 U. Molecular mass. Molecular mass of a substance is a sum of average atomic masses of all the atoms of element which constitute molecules. Molecular mass of a substance is the mass of one molecule of the substance relative to the mass of one carbon-12 atom. It is obtained by multiplying average atomic mass of each element by the number of its atoms and adding them together. For example, the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 1 average atomic mass of carbon plus 12 plus 2 average atomic mass of oxygen gives 1 multiplied by 12.0 unit plus 2 multiplied by 16.0 unit equal to 44.0 U. Some more example of calculation of molecular mass. H2O multiplied by 1U plus 16U is equal to 18U. C6H5Cl gives 6 multiplied by 12U plus 5 multiplied by 1U plus 35.5U is equal to 112.5U. H2SO4 is 2 multiplied by 1U plus 32U plus 4 multiplied by 16U is 98U. Find the masses of one molecule of oxygen. Oxygen in AMU, U and in gram. Molecular mass of oxygen is equal to 2 multiplied by 16U. Mass of one molecule is equal to 32U. Mass of one molecule of oxygen is 32 multiplied by 1.66056 10 raised to minus 24 gram. 53.1379 10 raised to minus 24 gram. Formula mass. Some substances such as sodium chloride do not contain a discrete molecule as a constituent unit. In such a compound, cationic sodium and anionic chloride entities are arranged in a three-dimensional structures. In sodium chloride crystal, one Na plus ion is surrounded by 6Cl minus ion, all at the same distance from it. and vice versa. Therefore, sodium chloride is a formula used to represent sodium chloride, though it is not a molecule. Similarly, a term formula mass is used for such ionic compound. Instead of molecular mass, the formula mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of the atom present in the formula. Find the formula masses of sodium chloride, copper dinitride. Formula mass of sodium chloride. Average atomic mass of sodium plus average mass of chlorine is 23.0 U plus 35.5 U is equal to 58.5 U. Formula mass of copper dinitride CuNO3 is average atomic mass of copper plus 2 multiplied by average atomic mass of nitrogen plus average atomic mass of 3 oxygen give 63.5 plus 2 multiply in bracket 14 plus 3 multiplied by 16 give 187.5 U. Try this. Find the formula mass of calcium sulfate. If atomic mass of calcium is 40.1 unit, S is 32.1 and oxygen 16.0 unit.